All right, so we're here with Courtney. Courtney, tell us what's going on, what you've been dealing with.
I am having a lot of tense pain right here. I feel like I kinked my neck. Range of motion's kind of tight right there.
What do you do for work?
I'm a dental assistant.
So that makes sense.
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do with Courtney here is a one treatment challenge with the FX405. We're gonna put it on and within 10 minutes, we're gonna check back and we're gonna see how that's feeling. What hurts motion-wise? Can you kind of show us moving around?
When I lift my arm up,
Okay.
and then I do a lot of sitting and kind of like that motion.
Okay.
So just that is a lot of pain.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're gonna check back in just a minute.
Excited.
All right, we just have a few more seconds left here. We've just been doing the generic neck setting of the FX405, not generic, but just the standard neck setting. Okay, and move your neck around, move shoulder around.
A lot better actually. It feels like I got like a massage right here, so I have more movement.
Isn't that wild?
That's crazy.
And you
I
didn't-
wasn't expecting that.
You didn't feel anything during the
No,
treatment?
no.
Some people will sometimes be somewhat sensitive to it, but the vast majority of people don't feel anything going on during it, but
No.
you
I didn't-
describe it now, move the head and neck around.
Yeah, I didn't feel anything. Oh my gosh, yeah, it feels like I got like a deep tissue massage and got adjusted right here.
That's crazy.
It was all kinked up, but now it's better. That's so crazy.
There you go, one treatment.
Awesome.